Hi, it's Adam here again with my Honda Odyssey 2006. I've got roof racks on this now, and so you can move a lot of stuff around, but I've managed to move amazing amounts of stuff inside the car, but it's only been just recently that I've figured out how to fully fold down the middle seats, and so I want to show you that. And so I think I'd probably have the ability to lie down flat in there if I wanted to, but also be able to move around a lot of material within that vehicle. So follow along and I'll show you how that's done. So as you can see here, you've got 3 rows of seats. This first back row goes down pretty easy, but that middle row I've always had a bit of trouble with, and I'm going to show you how to fold that down flat first. What you want to do is take these 2 on the left and the right, the headrests off, okay, and then we'll do the next step. With the headrests, it's just little button here on the right, and then you can just push them up quite easily and pull them off. Pop them over there with the other one. Okay, so here's the real trick. You go to the front of the seat here and you just pull it up. I just pulled it up. You'll find a gap in there. I found some change in there, a few lollipop sticks and all the rest, and good chance to have a clean, by the way. And then you pull that right back like that, and now you have this cavity in here. Now at this point you pull this little lever here and booyah, that's nice and flat. Okay, so watch this again. Just pull that out there. Didn't find any money there, but I found a Kit Kat, so I've just had that with my coffee. And back here, and look at that. Nice. And what I have done, actually, another thing, is push the front seats right forward, because I want to see how much length I can get out of this. Now with these back seats, you don't even need to pull those off. In fact, I don't know whether they come off. They probably do, but what you actually do is just fold them forward like that. That's easy. And then you pull this little lever here on that side, bam, and bam on the right. And then what you got is this little lever here. What you have to do, and I can't really do this with just one hand, is pull that out while pulling that front section, well, the top by the headrests, backwards towards me now, and the whole lot will come up flat like what's going on in the front there. So I'm just going to do that now, and then I'll join you after that. So I've just started pulling that front section back, or the top section by the headrests back. I couldn't do it one-handed. And so now it just comes down, and look at that. There's quite a lot of room in there. And I'm just going to hop in and test the length of it. I'm 183 centimeters, so we'll see if I fit fully in there. So I have now got in the car. You see there by my feet that I've actually got extra room there at the end. Now this isn't fully flat, okay? So this seat height in the middle is slightly above that of the back. But what that may allow me to do in the future, not today, is to potentially build a little platform coming along here, which could act as a bed. See, they've even got the little headrests there, eh? Very thoughtful. And then you've got a little platform, and you could potentially, you know, use it as storage underneath. As far as width goes, you're sort of looking at round about, well, certainly over a metre there. You'd have to measure it up for your particular car, but I'd say, yeah, you've definitely got the ability to sleep in here overnight if you wanted to, or you know, certainly put a massive fridge or anything you wanted to carry in here. Yeah, so you could use it as a delivery truck if you like. I'll do a video from the other end just so you can have a look. Yeah, look at that, that's a huge amount of space in here. And with the seats pushed forward, you've got a massive amount of room to deliver whatever you would like. You just about stick a piano in there. Certainly a double fridge or anything like that. So I'm going to sign off from here, but that's how you fold the middle and back seats down to create well over 2 meters of storage length and probably about 1.5 meters width, I'd say. Probably a good queen mattress you could stick in there. Anyway, signing off. Follow me for tips and tricks with cars, houses, and anything else helpful around the place. All the best. So after folding the middle and back seats down in my Honda Odyssey 2006, we now have at least 2 meters in storage length and a fair amount of height in there, well over 1 meter in width, so you could deliver fridges or possibly even pianos in there, but you could certainly lie full length in there with a little bit of a platform, perhaps a little mattress, and you could be self-contained for the evening. And these ducks are kind of starting to put me off a little bit. Got some geese there in the background. I'll just zoom in on them. They're getting awfully close, and they're probably looking for some of the crumbs from out of the crevices of those seats as I've been folding them back. Anyway, back to the Honda Odyssey 2006. There we go, all folded out and set for delivery.